All right, how's it going? Sorry for taking so long to get this to you. Just had a lot of stuff going on. My two daughters sick and everything like that. So once again, apologize for taking so long to get to you. But here are the same problems that you had. I changed the wording, not the wording, I changed the numbers. So that it's not like I did the exact same problem. So you can take what I do here and then transpose it to your problem. But let's look at these two real quick. It says a new car worth $14,000 is depreciating in value by $2,000 per year. After how many years will the car's value be $4,000? So we know we're starting off with the car being worth 14,000 and it's depreciating. So that means we're going to be subtracting every year $2,000. If it was appreciating, then we would be adding $2,000 a year, but we're subtracting because it's depreciating. $2,000 and every year. So we're going to call that X. We're going to let X represent years that pass. So we have $14,000, 2,000 times X. So that means if 1 year passed, you're going to minus 2,000 one time. If 2 years pass, that means you minus 2,000 two times, 2,000 times two, and so on. So we want to know, when will the car's value be $4,000? So we set it equal to 4,000. All right. So once you have the equation set up, now we can solve. Go ahead and minus 14,000 from both sides of the equation. That cancels. Make sure you don't lose a negative. That's still negative 2,000x. And then on the right, we're going to have negative 10,000. And now we can divide by negative 2,000. Negative 2,000 cancels on the left, leaving me with just x. And then on the right, that'll be positive 5. So in 5 years, the car will be worth $4,000. Okay. Now the next one number exceeds another by 10. The sum of the numbers is 50. What are the numbers? So notice we have two numbers going on here. And so let's say we call the first number X. And then we have a second number. Right. And we can call that X plus 10 because it exceeds that number by 10. So this is the first number. And then the other one is going to be that number plus 10. So as one number exceeds another one by 10. All right. Then it says the sum of the numbers is 50. Sum means add. So when you add the two numbers together, it's supposed to equal to 10. All right. So that means X plus 10 is going to be equal to 50. So that's our equation. And we can go ahead and solve. Now these parentheses aren't needed. I just put them there just to signify, this piece plus this piece. So I can remove those parentheses. This is what we're looking at. Combine your like terms. X plus X is 2X. Now solving for X, I subtract 10 from both sides. 10's cancel. Leaving me at 2X equal to 40. Divide by 2. X is equal to 20. So now you got to make sure you actually answer the question. It says, what are the numbers? So you want to know both numbers. X is equal to 20. So the first number is 20. Then 20 plus 10 is 30. So one number is 20, the other number is 30. And notice 20 plus 30 gives me 50. So those are my two numbers. So those are two problems you asked about. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.